Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara Perkins, and today I am updating you guys on one of my wigs that I have purchased way back in probably like a 5 to 6 month update. And the hair that I'm updating you guys on is this cute Isee hair highlighted wig. Now, I had this hair for quite a while. I've worn it several times, and I just wanted to give you guys an update on how this hair is doing. And so far this hair is holding up. Like, I don't wear it every single day, so I don't know how it would work for somebody that has worn it every single day for maybe like 5 to 6 months, but so far it has held up very well. It is still cute, it's still silky. It does have a little bit of shedding, just a tiny bit, but as you can see, it's still doing well. I don't want you guys to come in the comments and be like, oh my gosh, he's just lying. Let me tell y'all something. I purchased this hair with my own money, okay? So I have no reason to lie to you guys. Even if it was sent to me, I don't have a reason to lie to you guys. I'm always be real. I'm always going to be transparent with y'all when it comes to hair, because I have been a victim of listening to people that sponsored hair and you ended up buying it and it ended up not being what you thought it was going to be. So I definitely know how you guys feel. So I just want to let you know that I purchased this hair, and so far it is doing well. I did bleach the knots kind of late, and let me tell you guys, when I bleached the knots, the frontal kind of like, it's not doing how it was. Like, the hair is really not as silky up top as it was before, but however, it's still holding up. It still has its shine, it still has its luster, and it still definitely looks good. I'm going to insert some photos of me recently wearing this hair and how it looks still to this day. And so if I want to go on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this hair maybe like a 7. I'm not going to give it like a 10, but I definitely would give it a 7, only because I feel like that it could still do a little bit better. It's not as silky as it was when I first got it. It's not as soft as it was when I first got it, but it's still good. It's still doable. I think a little bit of, when it comes to hair, I think a little bit has to do with how you take care of it. And so I feel like I took care of it, but I also didn't wear it every single day. So I can't really talk from the standpoint of keeping the hair in and not taking it out, because I definitely took this hair in and out. But however, I have worn it several times. I flat ironed it, I curled it, I've done all of that to it. So yeah, so I have done stuff to it, but this is how it looks. Let me show you guys. And I'm going to show you guys the back. Now the back is a little bit tangled up, I will say that. That's why I say I won't give this a 10. So as you can see, I can't really get my fingers through it, but of course if I take a brush and I brush it out, it will definitely go back to its normal state. But however, the back is a tiny bit tangled, but it's not a lot to where it's like you can't brush it out. So yes, and then on top of that, I work out a lot, and so you know, when you work out and you have straight hair, your hair does get tangled because it's sweat. So honestly, it may not even do that. So we is going off of somebody that go to the gym, go running, and they be wearing their wigs and stuff like that. So really, it probably don't even do all of that. So yes, so and therefore this hair is definitely still holding up. I just wanted to give you guys a brief update of it, of how it is doing. So yes, you guys, this hair is still doing good. I love it. I still love the color. The color still looks great. It still looks good. And so yeah, you guys, just wanted to let you know how Isee hair is doing. I definitely would recommend this hair. Of course I will get it longer, you know, but I think I got this, did I get it? I think I got it in 26, I can't really remember, but I will leave the my video of me unboxing and installing in the description box below, and I will leave all the details of this hair in the description box below. However, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You help me get the road to 500. Bye y'all.